This video shows you how to calculate the weight of a concrete slab using the calculator at vcalc.com. A link to this calculator will be in the first comment, but you simply go to the slab weight calculator. And first thing I want to point out is the calculator is available in English, but also in Spanish. We'll go back to English. And all you simply have to do is put in the input parameters and based upon the diagram here. But before we do that, I want to point out one thing. It has a default value for the density of concrete, which is the most common. However, for different grades of concrete, as you can see down here, you can change the density to match that if you want to be very, very precise. But once you've got the density, and again, you can use the default, and you simply put in the dimensions of the slab. So we can pick let's say it's 13 feet long. And again, I could change those units to the metric system if I want, but I'm going to stick with English, by 15 feet. And you'll notice then the default here for the units for depth is in inches, and I'm going to simply put in 8 inches deep. And it automatically will calculate the weight of the slab. It returns it in pounds, but again, I can change that to metric tons if I wish, or any of the other output units. It gives you the volume of concrete. Again, you change those units if you wish. So in this case, it's 4.8 cubic yards. And it will also tell you the surface area. And all calculators in VCalc, when they give you a result, you can click on the share result, and it will give you a pop-up menu that lets you put in an email address that you like, and you can send yourself notes, and again, hit submit, and it'll send you an email with that information in it. Again, thank you for using VCalc, and hopefully this was useful.